Yo, what's good? Got a quick trade recap today. Took a W. I think this might be one of the best risk reward trades if I'm able to hit last take profit. But yeah, I kind of like fumbled here, but I'll just get into it later. So yeah, I'm gonna edge you guys. So 30-minute on Euro USD was looking at the London highs to get taken and then see potential rotation to the downside. 4 hour was bearish. That's why I was looking for the sells because we closed below this low, as well as oh, we didn't have any fair value gaps there. So yeah, coming into session open, it looked kind of promising, but we ended up just taking a big dump, and then we consolidating quite a bit here, but then ended up taking out the low. So not really looking to target anything, and it's good that I didn't because we didn't do anything there. And yeah, like this is all honestly also, this is a good like point to say like do not trade against the bias, because if we were bullish it would have been nicer if we could go up there, but since we were bearish it's a good thing that I didn't do it because we just continued the 4 hour trend. Now GBP USD was opposite trend, bro. No news Monday actually like killed the shit, bro. 4 hour was bearish as we had never confirmed to the upside after wait, hold on. We were bullish, yeah. We confirmed bullish and we never ended up showing confirmation to the downside. So yeah, 30-minute we had London high, London low. I'm not really gonna go too deep into this. We literally just moved sideways, bro. This is another accordion pattern, like that, So yeah, nothing on here either. Now the thing, I took the trade on GBP JPY. I cannot lie, I low key think I top tick, bro. I think I'm getting to like that like top tick kind of thing, like this is pretty high. Like I don't know, I'm honestly pretty surprised. Like I'm proud of myself, bro, but never satisfied. And yeah, so 4 hour was bullish coming into market open, inversing this fair value gap to the downside. So that was my bias. 1 hour was bullish as well initially, and we confirmed bullish as well. However, we did have this 1 hour fair value gap that I wanted to honestly get respected after taking up the Asian high, because ideally what I had in mind was that we would come out, take out the Asian highs, and then once before 7 a.m. candle close, we would have a reaction to the upside and then have a large wick confirming to the downside, and then that would be like an ideal confluence, but we never ended up actually doing that. We pushed way past, kept on going. So this was a 4 hour high, and then this was also a London session. Actually, no, this was New York session high from previous Thursday. So kind of reached a bit far back. So maybe not the best thing I should do. But yeah, this was that high. The 20 pip threshold from here to like was down here somewhere. So it's kind of getting annoying. And I feel like in the back of my mind, I was kind of find reasons for me to be able to take a trade, because I really wanted to take something because I was super married, super attached to this setup. And that just caused me to want to take a trade really badly. So yeah, we also had this 4 hour high from like a long time ago, but yeah, so we had all these fair value gaps. So at this point with this low, I was honestly pretty weary of entering because I didn't really want to enter off of this. My ideal idea was just to take these out, inverse these gaps, enter short off of that, and target the London lows, but that did not happen. We kept on pushing higher. So yeah, with this low I was also a bit weary of entering. I wanted to see this fair value gap get inversed, but we didn't do that. We kept on pushing higher, and then we inversed this fair value gap to the downside, and this was getting closer to like the 8 a.m. mark. So I was kind of like looking like, yo, I should probably like get into this before it's too late. So we inverse that fair value gap, and I enter off of continuation. 1 minute equilibrium gets hit. This is 5 minutes. This didn't even get hit. Should we? This is something good to look at as well. I'll get into that after as well. So we had 1 minute. I initially had 5 minute 5 minute equilibrium marked out to see if we could get a retracement. But we never ended up doing that for that short amount of time. So I looked for 1 minute equilibrium instead. We retraced into 1 minute 1 minute equilibrium, and then consolidated for quite a bit, and then break structure to the downside here. Now with entering, I was a bit reluctant. I was feeling like, yo, is this the best trade to take? Am I trading based off emotion? And I feel like I was a bit. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I was getting a bit emotional with this. I was really wanting it to hit. I was really wanting it to just feel like I could win again, and that kind of like was not the best feelings to have, honestly. So that is a bit where I messed up. But when I entered and after entering, I just expected to lose because I saw this big rally to the upside, and I thought spread was gonna cook me because, bro, it was like so much, right? But didn't end up getting stopped out from didn't end up getting stopped out. We came into this for value gap. I thought we were going to respect this fair value gap and start moving down, but we respected this fair value gap. So then I just got off the chart, stopped looking at it, because I was like, bro, I'm going to make some emotional dumbass decisions. So I just got off, stopped looking at it, and started making breakfast and went for a run. And that honestly helped me. I'm filming a day in the life video, so I was a bit carefree about this. But anyways, so something I could have improved on is maybe we actually end up coming into 5-minute equilibrium here, and that could have provided me with a better entry. You know, maybe off this 1-minute break of structure, could have entered here, got a better fill, and kept my stop loss a bit tighter. If I kept my stop loss a bit tighter, I would have gone stopped out. Like the spread was insane. I don't even know why it was so high, but yeah, got off the charts and we ended up actually like ripping to the downside. So felt pretty good about that. TP1, I felt good after we inversed this gap as well, but TP1 was right here at the start of these fair value gaps because, bro, based on the past couple of trades, bro, I keep on getting reversed at these fair value gaps and getting stopped out. So I was like, bro, I'm going to secure some profit at this fair value gap. So boom, TP1 here got hit. Then, yeah, I got closed about here. Not the best because I was a bit late. But yeah, I went on like the trigger went here, but I didn't see it. So then we ended up coming here, but I was a bit late, so I didn't get the best like thing. But that's just me yapping, bro. But yeah, TP2 was at the end of these fair value gaps because once we inverted these fair value gaps, we might have just started trying to rotate the upside. So that was TP2. TP3 was at these London highs. Now, I took 0.5, 0.3, 0.5. So now this is where my target is, right? We came here, we came here, but the spread at this time, it was like, it would have closed me like up here. So I was like, what's the point of closing it if I'm going to just get closed off here? So I was like, yo, I'm just going to hold on to this and see what happens. And if it comes here, then I'll take a 0.3 and then leave this as a runner. But you know, we just respected these London lows really nicely, like a bit too nicely, and it kind of made me a bit triggered. You know, I was really hoping that we would come and take out the absolute low, but you know, we never ended up doing that. So it's kind of annoying. And now I'm not really sure what to do. Now I'm not sure if the emotion that I had was because I was attached to the monetary value of the trade, or if I was just trying to think what's best for me. Because I feel like it's kind of pointless taking partials off of here. Like I might as well just close the entire thing. But what if we just go to the NY lows? So that's kind of what caused me to feel like that. So now I'm kind of like mad, kind of annoyed. Like I could close here. I would make a pretty decent profit. I'm up a decent amount, but it's like I really think that we could take out these London lows. I really think we could come back down here, bro. I really think it, but you know, maybe I'm just getting too married to my bias. Maybe I'm just too attached to it. So yeah, that's pretty much the trade recap. Pretty good, pretty good. Good way to open the week. I felt pretty confident about myself now. I feel like I'm able to win again, but it's like, bro, I might think this profit can just be taken away this entire week. I'm like pretty low on the fund account as well, so it's kind of annoying. But yeah, that's pretty it. That's pretty much it. Gonna finish making the day in the life video, filming right now actually. So yeah, goodbye.